and also we are of class 8th of SJR Kengeri Public School. My name is Vibhu. I am Ishan.
I'm Manvi.
Today we are here to present an AI game made by us. You guys have probably heard of the game Tic-Tac-Toe. It is one of the most popular games throughout the world. So we have planned to make an AI version of that game.
We programmed this game using Python code in Visual Studio. Python is one of the most high-level languages, and it is used by most programmers to make high-level games and other applications.
So when we run a program, we can either choose X or O. Then the program asks you to choose a number from 1 to 9, where 1 starts from the lower left corner and 9 starts from the upper left corner. So like if I choose 3 digits at a row and the computer doesn't interrupt me, it shows you have 1 and would you like to play?
And it's applied for entertaining purposes and prototyping. So we hope that this game can be popular amongst all. Thank you.